Hey guys, Technomentor here with the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to fix your iPhone if it's stuck on the Apple logo, just like the way we have it here. As you can see, this is just a picture, but you're going to see something like that and it doesn't turn on. It's just stuck no matter what you do. Well, there's a quick solution for this, and in this video, we're going to show you how to do that. So what happens is over time, there might be some sort of just a software glitch or bug, and you probably try to restart your phone, or it died and you try to power it back on. It sort of stuck on this Apple logo and it doesn't get to the home screen. Well, the simple and probably for the most part 99% of the time this method will work and fix your phone. So what you want to do is known as a forced restart. Forced restart is different from just simple rebooting it or restarting it. It forces the software to clear its cache and then boot up, so that if there's any minor software issue, it'll fix that. So to do that, simply you're going to want to hold and release the volume up button on the side, and then quickly hold and release the volume down button, and then finally hold that big side button until you again see it go black and then the Apple appears again. So to do that, it's going to be quickly press and release the volume up button, then the volume down button, and then you're going to press that side button. So here, as you can see, it's going to show something like that possibly, or it might not. Just keep on holding it and don't do anything on the screen. You're going to just press and hold that side button until you see the screen go black, just like this. And once it goes black, you're just going to wait to see the Apple logo one more time. Now you have successfully done a forced restart, and again, it will fix your iPhone, like we said, 99% of the time if it's stuck after it was turned off or something just happened. And also, while you're at it, make sure that your phone is charged. As you can see, this phone doesn't seem to be charged, and it could potentially happen if it's not getting enough power. So hopefully this video is helpful. If this video is helpful, please make sure that like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time.